Now, let's come over and look at the Nasdaq. Prima facie, it's in exactly the same stance, except that this B wave has come all the way down and tapped just below the 618 retrace. So it can come one stage lower. If we go down to 2708 in the ES, we can come down to 6728 in the NQ. No problem with that, providing it holds. Otherwise, this is going to be threatened. And as I said in last night's video, the question is the NQ lagging or is it leading? And no way to know that until it tells us. If we're going to get a B, C in the indices, then we need to see a high B wave in the NQ. And we need to see it from really the low we've already had. Otherwise, it doesn't really leave enough headroom below to allow for a C wave down and maintain the pattern. So the NQ is the one that worries me at this point in time. Just coming down to the hourly, you can see the NQ also, though, had a 138.2 A to C relationship, but it came deeper. It came deeper really, not that the pullback's been stronger in the NQ so much as the rise up has been weaker than in the other indices, and most notably the Dow. So if we come across to the Dow, again, it exceeded its 618 retrace of this move down. It came all the way up to the 764 retrace of the move off the all-time high into the late October low for its A wave. We've come again, like the ES, just below the 38.2, not got to the 50. So I'm looking at 25,156 in the YM as support if it wants to make another low today. Then I'm looking for this C up here. And this is where I've labeled it slightly differently to the ES. If we come up to the 1.0 to 138.2 in the Dow, realistically, I think that's probably the 3 in its diagonal. And then we get the 4, 5. If all of this was an A wave and we get a B, C, the Dow's going to go up to 33,000 or so, which is perfectly possible, but not really what I'm expecting because the rest of the diagonal doesn't really suggest it. But again, you know, none of that is cast in stone in the diagonal, so we're just one leg at a time. At the moment, I'm looking for this to complete and give us the next leg up, subject to being able to take out resistance, which are the retrace fibs against the move down from last week's high. Kind of puts it in a nutshell.